Welcome to the exciting world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide is designed to help you get started on the right foot. Before we dive into coding, it's crucial to set up your development environment. This is the space where all your coding magic will happen. This is your dedicated workspace where you'll write, test, and run your Python code. Think of it as your personal coding studio. A well-organized environment ensures that your projects run smoothly and efficiently. It helps you stay focused and productive. Think of your development environment as a carpenter's workbench. Just as a carpenter needs the right tools and a clean space to build, you need the right software and a structured setup to create Python programs. Just as a carpenter needs the right tools and a clean space to build, you need the right software and a structured setup to create Python programs. This will make your coding experience much more enjoyable and efficient. This setup process might seem a bit technical at first, but it's a fundamental step in your journey as a Python developer. Don't worry, we'll break it down into simple, manageable steps. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your Python development environment up and running. From installing Python to setting up your code editor, we've got you covered. We'll cover installing Python, setting up popular code editors, VS Code and PyCharm, and understanding basic terminal commands. These are the building blocks of your Python journey. Don't worry if some of these terms sound unfamiliar, we'll explain everything in clear and simple language. Our goal is to make this as easy and enjoyable as possible. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation for writing and executing your own Python code. You'll be ready to tackle your own projects with confidence. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Your Python journey begins now. First, let's install Python on your Windows computer. Head over to the official Python website using your web browser. Look for the Downloads section. You'll see different versions of Python available. Choose the latest stable release that's recommended for Windows. Make sure to select the correct installer for your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. You can determine this by right-clicking on this PC and selecting Properties. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, which is usually an .exe file. Double-click on it to start the installation process. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions. It's generally a good idea to stick with the default settings. During installation, you might see an option to add Python to path. It's crucial to check this box. This step allows you to run Python commands from your command prompt without any hassle. If you're using a macOS system, installing Python is just as straightforward. Visit the official Python website and navigate to the Downloads section. Look for the macOS installer package. It's usually a PKG file. Download the latest stable version compatible with your macOS. Once the download is complete, locate the PKG file and double-click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. macOS comes with a pre-installed version of Python. However, it's highly recommended to use the latest version from the official website, as it often includes the latest features and security updates. Now that Python is installed, let's set up our code editor. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a popular choice among Python developers due to its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Visit the official VS Code website and download the version compatible with your operating system. Install VS Code by following the straightforward on-screen instructions. Once VS Code is installed, launch the application. You'll notice an extensions icon on the left sidebar that looks like 4 squares. Click on it and search for Python. Install the Python extension developed by Microsoft. This extension provides excellent support for Python development, including code highlighting, debugging, and intelligent code suggestions. Section 5, PyCharm Setup, a powerful Python IDE. Another excellent option for your Python development environment is PyCharm. Developed by JetBrains, PyCharm is a full-fledged integrated development environment, or IDE, specifically designed for Python. Go to the official JetBrains website and download the community edition of PyCharm. It's a free and feature-rich version perfect for beginners. Run the downloaded installer and follow the installation wizard's instructions. You can customize the installation location and choose additional plugins if needed. However, the default settings work well for most users. PyCharm offers advanced features like code refactoring, project management, and database tools, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced Python developers. Section 6. Terminal Fundamentals: Navigating Your System. The terminal, also known as the command prompt or console, is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with your computer using text-based commands. It provides a direct way to communicate with your operating system, bypassing the graphical user interface. It might seem intimidating at first, but understanding basic terminal commands is essential for any developer. Mastering these commands can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. To open the terminal on Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, and press Enter. This will launch the command prompt, where you can start typing your commands. On macOS, press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight Search Type Terminal and press Enter. This will open the terminal application ready for your input. Let's learn some basic commands. The command stands for Change Directory and is used to navigate between folders. For example, will take you to the Documents folder. The command on Windows or on macOS lists all files and folders in the current directory. The command creates a new directory while removes an empty directory. These commands might seem simple, but they form the foundation of interacting with your computer through the terminal. As you become more comfortable, you'll find that the terminal can handle complex tasks with ease, making it an indispensable tool for developers. Section 7. Virtual Environments: Isolated Python Spaces. In Python, virtual environments are like separate containers for your projects. They allow you to isolate project-specific dependencies and avoid conflicts between different Python versions and packages. To create a virtual environment, open your terminal and navigate to your project's directory using the command. Then, type replace .bnv with your preferred name for the virtual environment folder. This command creates a new folder containing a fresh copy of the Python interpreter and pip, the package installer for Python. Activating the virtual environment is crucial to start working within its isolated space. On Windows, activate the environment by running. On macOS and Linux, you'll know the environment is active when its name appears in parentheses at the beginning of your terminal prompt. Section 8. Hello developer, your first Python program. It's time to write your first Python program. Open your chosen code editor, VS Code or PyCharm, and create a new file named. Inside the file, type the following code print. Hello developer. This simple line of code uses the function, a fundamental tool in Python, to display output. Save the file. Now head back to your terminal. Make sure your virtual environment is activated. Use the command to navigate to the directory where you save. Finally, type in the terminal and press Enter. You should see the output. Hello developer, congratulations. You've just run your first Python program. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the Python path. Setting up your Python development environment is the crucial first step in your programming journey. This environment is where you'll write, test, and debug your code, making it essential to get it right from the start. We've covered installing Python on Windows and macOS, ensuring you have the right tools regardless of your operating system, configuring VS Code and PyCharm, understanding essential terminal commands, and setting up your coding environment to be as efficient as possible, and harnessing the power of virtual environments. These environments help you manage dependencies and keep your projects organized. Remember that mastering these fundamentals lays a strong foundation for your growth as a Python developer. A solid foundation is key to tackling more complex projects in the future. As you progress, don't hesitate to explore additional tools, libraries, and frameworks that can enhance your coding experience and make your projects more robust, and resources that enhance your coding experience. The Python community is vast and full of resources to help you along the way. The world of Python is vast and full of possibilities. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, or automation, there's something for everyone. From web development to data science, machine learning, and automation, Python offers a wide range of applications that can suit your interests and career goals. Python offers endless opportunities for you to explore and innovate. The only limit is your imagination and willingness to learn. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. Each step you take brings you closer to becoming a proficient Python developer. Now that your development environment is ready, you have all the tools you need to start coding. It's time to embark on this exciting adventure of coding with Python. Happy coding! Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.